Swiss cheese.
Yeah, one time we were having a talk at work, and they didn't like what the bosses were doing, so one guy said, "Are we men or mice?" And the other guy went, "Where's the cheese?"
But thank you.
So this is Gossner cheese, guys. Their little store. Cute, 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 cute. And Logan is right over there. Oh dear, they have ice cream here too. So obviously they're not working, but this is the actual factory. That's kind of cool.
See, there's some milk you can taste.
Oh yeah, so this is the little taste testing. Smoke cured. I have never tried that. Curious.
I like the smoke the best.
You do? Mm-hmm. Somebody else said they didn't like it, and so I thought, well, I've never tried it. How about that? Good. It's more of the factory back here. Can't really see anything through there. Cheese spread. Baby Swiss. All right, I'm gonna get some of this hot pepper for my hubby because he loves it. Oops, excuse me. Sliced Colby, mild.
No, I come here a lot, so.
And I asked my husband.
Oh yeah, here we go. This is what this is what we're talking about.
Yeah, the smoke curd.
Oh,
I like the smoke too.
I'm gonna get 2 of them and one. Where's the smoke?
Over here.
On this side. What is this? Munster cubes, sharp cubes, Swiss cubes. All the Gossner milk. Try us some smoke too. Yeah, oink, seriously. See ice cream over there. Here's our little cashiers. All right, guys, so that is Gossner cheese. Your factory. No one's in it. Pretty cool though. Thanks for watching.